Hey y'all, it's Mary. You watching Finna Eat. Today we are at Basilico. It is an Italian deli, slash bakery. I've gotten a few recommendations for it, and I drive by it all the time. So today is the day to try it. So let's go. Finna eat this. Finna eat this. Finna eat these. I'm finna eat this.
Yeah?
You gonna hook me up with all of them?
Yeah, you want to start off with the peach?
Peach?
Yeah. It's really good. It's kind of like you ever had the peach ring? Like the candies?
Yeah.
Yeah, right?
Oh, it tastes exactly like that.
And then the pineapple. Yeah. Very tropical feeling. Like you're out in Puerto Rico.
The flavors are so light.
Yeah, they're very light.
Yeah.
Very light and creamy.
Yeah, that's why I was even with the bacon.
Because it's different than, so ice cream is just two bases, it's like a milk and then the ingredients. So gelato is three bases. Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's definitely coconut. Yeah, I'm in. And see, I don't really like coconut, but I could eat that because it's not heavy.
And then we have our mixed berry, which is really good as well.
That's what you're showing y'all, huh? Mixed berry.
But the peanut butter though is like, it's like peanut butter straight out the jar.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, right. Have you ever had pear?
Peanut butter.
Pear in an ice cream? Yeah, pear is really good.
Pear.
And it's not so sweet, it's like a delicate sweet,
Yeah.
Did you try the lemon?
That's really good, yeah. That pear, it's not like a strong.
No, it's very, very light.
Man, I love all everything so light. That's like sherbet. It tastes just like sherbet. That lemon gelato, man, I like that. That's like, yeah.
Really
Everything's
good. Even our coffee is really
heavy.
good.
Coffee lovers? Coffee.
Right?
Yeah. That's like a iced coffee,
Yeah,
like
an iced
blended
coffee,
up. Yeah.
Like a latte.
Yeah. That's
Any other
nice.
flavors you would like to try?
Alright, let me do the watermelon.
The watermelon?
Everything.
How we doing today? Coming to get some sweets, yeah?
Yep.
Yeah. And it's very light. It's
Yeah,
not like very
all
strong.
of them.
It's very light, so it's like almost realistic.
Exactly. Everything's awesome, yo. All the flavors are nice. Thank you, Angelo. You're my new favorite person.
Right.
All right. We are outside in the patio area. The inside is nice and cozy, but beautiful day. We want to take advantage of the space that they have. Never been here. Like I said, I got recommended. Drive by all the time, so pulled up finally, and y'all know I made some gnocchi at home, and I know for a fact that I effed that all the way up. I'm finna eat this little bite right here, because if I don't like it, I'm gonna eat the rest. So I had to make up and really try what it's supposed to taste like. So I got the gnocchi alla Sorrento with chicken. Okay? And then comes with super salad. I mean, we all know what basic salad tastes like. So went with the soup. As with the soup, you like give me a good soup. lobster bisque. Alright, I'm gonna show y'all. So, it looks all nice. Comes with some bread. Excited to try. Alright, y'all. Gonna eat this. It's good. Creamy. One thing with me and lobster bisques and lobster soups is and for real, I usually can't finish a whole bowl at one time. Like when the lobster is so overpowering and just kills it. It's not the case. Not the case at all. It's perfect, man. Little pieces of lobster in it is so good. I had picked at the bread before. I tried the soup, my bad, but the bread is good too. Light, fluffy. So far, so good. We're gonna move on before the gnocchi gets cold. Bang bang. I guess I'll eat it this way. Alright. So I got a little mouth, okay? So I need to cut my pieces up. Cut. Okay, so like I tried the gnocchi at home. That was a complete fail, complete bust. I know I messed up big time, okay? Y'all ain't have to tell me, I already know. Alright, I'm gonna put this over here. But I wanna try the gnocchi by itself first. Okay? So I keep getting chicken in there. This is a gnocchi. Gnocchi. Y'all know I mess that up all the time too. But this is what it is. This is in a tomato sauce. We tried some burnt butter sauce. That's what it was. Didn't turn out so good. But right here is the real deal. And we finna eat this. Totally different than what mine tasted like. So the texture, it's like a chicken and dumplings. If y'all ever had chicken and dumplings, it is like a dumpling. I mean, yeah, it is. That's what it said it was anyway. Yeah, it's a dumpling, but this is definitely what the texture is. I don't know how I feel about it though. I love chicken and dumplings. We about to get a piece. Let's eat some with the chicken. Maybe that'll make more sense. To my taste buds. Finna eat this one too, man. It's good. I mean, like the chicken itself is cooked perfectly. But I mean, the tomato sauce is amazing. Okay, the chicken is juicy, nice. It's just these gnocchi dumplings. It's just because it's dumplings are it's got thick texture to it, I just don't think I'm a fan of gnocchis. But if you are, this is for you, because I can eat. I mean, I can still eat it. It's not like I ain't gonna eat it, because this is definitely gonna get ate. It's good, but just I love chicken dumplings, man. Best part of any meal is dessert. And I can't tell you how excited I am to be trying these. That whole glass case, alright, filled with beautiful things, alright? And it's the hardest decision you're gonna make, alright? Harder than what you're actually gonna eat. Over here, we have a profiterole mousse cake. Over here, we have a lemonberry mascarpone. And in the middle, we have a salted caramel gelato. Everything made here. Let's go. Oh, I'm dripping. Hold up, y'all. I guess we're gonna try the gelato first, cause it's just a dripping. All right. My taste buds is happy, yo. It's caramel, light. It's like a light caramel flavor. You know what I mean? It's just a hint, and the gelato itself is creamy. Perfect. Honestly, one of the better salted caramel anything that I've tried, like for real. So we're gonna move on to the next salted caramel. Salted caramel. Profiterole mousse cake. Oh, I don't want to squish the beauty, man. Look at all that. Oh, scrumptious dumplishness. We finna eat it, though. Best part of a meal. Now this right here, chocolate cake, smooth, delicious, like definitely not a dry cake. It is rich. The chocolate mousse on top and the vanilla in the middle, pull it all together. I'm trying to tell y'all, you can't. It looks beautiful. And it tastes beautiful too. A plus 159,000% on the Richter scale. Alright, I can't mix flavors. So, we are finna try the lemonberry mascarpone. I need y'all to see this, okay? Look at that beautiful glaze on top. I'm about to just like that. Get a little piecey piece. We finna eat it, you know? Yep. Oh, it's so light, man. Like, honestly, all the textures and everything are just beautiful. Like, this is so smooth and creamy, light flavors, and especially with this weather, like this is what you really want, like light, airy goodness. So, in conclusion, y'all, come try it out. You will not be disappointed. You definitely have to hit the bakery. You definitely need to try a gelato. I wanna say thank you to my new favorite employee here at Basilico for letting me try all the gelatos. Awesome for that. And yeah, y'all. Everything, flavors, textures, all on point. I'm happy. I am leaving here super happy. So click all the buttons, ding all the bells, subscribe. Before I go and kick y'all out, I need to let y'all know I want to bring somebody to eat with me. I want some company. So all my YouTube subscribers, comment and let's meet up and eat up. You know, make a night, make some video, have some laughs. Let's get it. Hit me up, comment. Everybody else recommend, need them, recommendations. Let me know where to go. And yeah, I'll see y'all next time.